Taking the support from 2150, we have seen gold achieving record high levels with the data. It has now already achieved 2220 level and erased some of the gains, again coming closer to 2204. So now what to expect for the day from the gold? Can we expect this rally to continue as it has formed a stronger base? Can we expect it to deliver another bullish candle moving towards 2250? Or there is a possibility of a reversal, and can gold erase the gains today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment as well. Let's start. And yes, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube and support the effort. If you look at the hourly charts, you can see two symmetrical candles here, where one is on the downside and one is on the upside, where we have also seen a push from the upside and the support on the downside. Now see this red line coming in, this is a near-term channel. It has already breached, it is trading above the channel and it is now giving the support. Also, if you look at lower highs and higher lows are seen here. Thus, it is very important for gold to now stay below 2190, 2185 zone, which was the resistance. It has to break this support in order to confirm a slight reversal, else it is still not to be treated bearish. So as long as 2190, 2185 levels are respected, we have to be cautious with the gold's position. Right now, if you look at moving averages are divergent and are looking upwards and are staying bullish. Stochastic has retraced. MACD is trading with extreme divergence. It is not showing any signs of convergence as of now. RSI is extremely overbought here. Coming to 2, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see step is created, higher lows, lower highs, and only thing is it has to stay below this zone, that is 2190, 2185. Then we can say it is trying to reverse and possibly it can erase the gains towards 2170, 65 levels. I do not see it breaking below 2150. That has become a greater supports, because see, after a bit of consolidation here and forming higher lows, it is given a breakout. So after the breakout, now see the movement here from 2150 to 2220 levels, and this makes 2180, 85 as the pivot or median or a 50% retracement level. So yes, these levels are going to be watched out for. Stochastic overbought, trying to cool down. MACD is trading with extreme divergence and bullishness. It should try to, but look at the movement here. See, this was the retracement here. This is a rise and it has further scope for it to continue with the rise. RSI overbought here, coming to 3-hour. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, after the rise, I have mentioned one thing yesterday, that is forming a flag and a breakout is going to be stronger one. It did show a stronger breakout here. Now see, this is also trading outside Bollinger Bands, and thus a little retracement on the downside cannot be denied. However, we should not consider this as bearish or do not consider this for a reversal as long as 2180-90 zone is respected. Again, highlighting this point, stochastic is overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is overbought here. Coming to 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour charts, outside Bollinger Bands and overbought levels. Just after two bullish candles, it is showing a push from the upside and trying to consolidate its position before it takes off. So yes, on the downside now, where to sell, we will see further. If you look at the moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness, stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is overbought here as well. So all the indicators have gone into overbought zone, but it does not mean that it is necessarily a sign of reversal. Now coming to the daily charts, and before we look into daily, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting week 1st of April. Register yourself now, reach out to me for details. In this batch, we only focus on two things: how to identify profitable trades with ease and how to trade profitably. Combining these two should always deliver a profitable result. So do not miss this opportunity. Join the. You can be also part of my signals channel, trading as per the signals. You can trade profitably. Now coming to the daily chart. If you look at the daily chart, see what has happened. It has formed a good support now at 2150. Now 2150 has appeared to be a wall. It needs to break, and now it has given a breakout on the upside. Now see one more thing here. If you notice here, see the rise, retracement and first breakout. So probability increases that it should continue with the upward movement. Now where are the highs? Highs are far above towards 2270, 2280 zone. However, it does not mean that it is going to get achieved in a single day or so, but yes, the upward momentum should continue as long as 2150 is respected. Only bearishness is confirmed on the daily charts if and only if 2150 is reversed. That is one point we should keep a note of. 2150 has become the base for gold as of now. Stochastic rising. Now look at MACD. See, MACD is already coming from a higher and elevated levels. At best, it can try to hit the double top here before reversing. Then these are certainly elevated levels of gold. Historically, plus 40 levels for gold here on MACD is a good resistance zone, and it tries to reverse from these levels. There are a couple of exceptions as well where we have seen it moving towards plus 60. However, those are the incidences post recovery of COVID. So now, yes, it is looking upward. It is crossed over again and trying to trade with divergence. Stock RSI is again back to over. Considering this for the day, I'll recommend you to buy at 2207 levels, but then it is very, very important for gold to now break beyond 2212, 2215 zone. If gold stays above 2212, 2215, you can say now we can look forward to 2220, 2223 zone. But that is also going to be a good resistance. Beyond 2220, 2223 is where the bulls will take over towards 2238. So yes, if you're buying at 2207 levels, you have to be extremely cautious at around 2212, 2215 zone first resistance, then 22 23 the next resistance zone, and only above which you can say now it is trying to turn bullish. We are looking forward to higher highs. We are looking forward to 22 30 38 zone as the next targets. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 2197 levels, below which you can expect it to move towards 2192.90 as the first target levels, and below 2190 we are looking forward to 2180, 485 first support, then 2180. If these zone, that is 2180 and 2190 is taken, then you can say it is trying to reverse. Remember, there are still great supports at 2172.5, 2175 zone, then 2165. As long as 2150 is respected, we should not be treating gold as bearish. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Do watch the next update before the US session as well. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.